Over the years, we've sold high-end laser equipment, and what got our attention is the twist to fiber laser. IPG was dominating with all the OEMs, supplying about 90% of all the laser manufacturers. So my first reflex was to go to IPG and ask them who is their biggest customer, and they mentioned Hans. Nobody in America knew Hans.
They have over 4,000 workers, 10 million square foot facility in Shenzhen, China.
They have an office in Dallas, in Texas, and they acquired Core Active, which is based in Quebec City, so a Canadian subsidiary of Hans. So now we have local support here in Canada. They've engineered the fiber laser source, so it's an option we have on the Hans laser. You can also acquire the IPG, which is a great product as well.
Core Active is a subdivision of Hans laser. Fiber laser produced by Core Active differentiates itself across competition on its power stability over a long period operation. We're talking about 7 days operation, 24 hours a day. This is required by the industry, and it's very mandatory to have this power stability for a quality operation for the customer. The other characteristic that differentiate a Core Active laser is the protection against back reflection. This phenomenon exists naturally when you cut material, especially reflective material such as copper, tin, and aluminum.
Canablast in 1978 started in distributing abrasives and fabricating small sandblasting cabinets. Today we have solvent recyclers, industrial washers, we build large paint booths, we build large installation for sandblasting, mechanical and pneumatic. The only piece of machinery that we didn't have in-house, because we had the welders, we had the bending machines, was the laser cutting machine. But if I look back 5 or 6 years ago, there was a lot of subcontractors we could use, which would deliver us within 3 or 4 days the cut metal we needed.
The move to go to laser equipment was primarily to be able to serve better our customers, so to shorten the lead times to our customer and really get everything produced inside and have our own control over the deliveries and quality that we will deliver to our customers.
We decided to go with Hans and Spark & Co. because as a participant to the FabTech industrial show for the past couple of years, we were able to see the different machineries that are on display over there, and we collected the specifications and the performance related to the price of the investment that would be required. And also because the generator in the Hans laser machine is fabricated and maintained in Quebec was a key decision for us. But internally, the performance related to the costs was really a great advantage for us.